First, let's calculate the amount of protein. In these arrays, the amount of protein from the 0th element, the amount of vitamins from the first element, the amount of calcium from the second element, and the third element shows the amount of calories. To calculate the total amount of protein contained in a food item, it is necessary to multiply the amount of protein contained in one by the number of food item we have selected. The amount of pancakes, eggs, oranges and milk to be selected are assigned in N1, N2, N3, N4 variables respectively. So instead of numbers, we can use these variables. For example, the amount of protein contained in pancake is equal to N1 multiplied by pancake box bracket 0. The amount of protein contained in eggs is equal to N2 multiplied by egg box bracket 0. The amount of protein contained in orange is equal to orange box bracket 0 multiplied by N3. The amount of protein contained in milk is equal to N4 multiplied by milk box bracket 0. The sum of these four is equal to the total amount of protein contained in the breakfast. Here I use functions for calculations. Click functions and drag the function myfunction n block code here. The name of the function is given as getProtein. Also, instead of n, type protein here. Now let's create the function. I drag an x equal code block under variables into the function code block here. Let's give the name of the variable as protein. Now click math and drag a code block with the plus sign to the right side of the equal sign. Click math again on the right side of this addition sign and drag a code block with the multiplication sign. From the multiplication sign, give N4 to the left side and drag list box bracket 0 code block under variables to the right side. Let's give the name of this array as milk and give the element as 0. Click math again to the left of this plus sign and drag a code block with another plus sign. From this addition sign, drag a code block with the multiplication sign under math to the right. Let's give N3 here and click variables here and drag a code block labeled list box bracket 0. Give orange here and type 0 here. Click math to the left of the plus sign and drag a block code with the plus sign. Let's drag a block code with the multiplication sign under math to the right side of this plus sign. Here I give N2. Let's drag the list box bracket 0 code block under variables to the right side of the multiplication sign like this. The name of the array is given as egg and 0 is given here. Once again, drag a code block with the plus sign under math to the left of the plus sign. Click math again and drag a code block with the multiplication sign here. From the multiplication sign, give N1 to the left side and drag a list box bracket 0 code block under variables to the right side. Type pancake here and give 0 here. Now, what does this plus sign give to the left side? In one round of running the program, if you have clicked the back button and selected food items from the tiffin screen on several occasions, the value stored in the protein variable in those previous occasions will also be added to this. So let's give here as protein. In the future, if we call the name of the function in this program, the stored value for protein should be displayed. For that, let's add a return code block to the end of this function code block. Click functions and drag a return code block here. Let's give the name of this function as protein in front.